Alright guys, so what I've done, I've used a bit of ISO super a bit more, and I've reached the limit of 1000, and I put extra 100 on top of it. Reason I'm using ISO super, it's very strong. You see, it's, yes, I achieved the Oud Malaki smell of it, but just I add the ISO super on top of it because sometimes I don't feel like, you know, wearing very or strong oud. So it is Oud Malaki, but a slightest tone touch to it of ISO super, which is very subtle anyway. So let's do the test. Okay, so this is our tester today, and let me introduce him as Mr. Zulfi. So Zulfi, try this. Okay.
Yeah, very nice. One.
Very good.
Yeah,
Okay.
very good.
Okay, thank you very much. So Mr. Zulfi, he likes it, so that's fine. Well, I just do here and there test run because my nose is familiar with these ones, so I don't notice them. But I need someone neutral to test it. And Zulfi, how many numbers from 10? 7? Yeah, he gave 7 today, you know, so it's just the day 1. So let's see what happens. Well, thank you very much, guys, for watching, and stay tuned. And we're gonna bring some more authentic perfumes. Right. So this one, if you need to make this one as Attar, because a lot of guys were asking me this thing, how to make these into Attars. Well, you can't use as it is; it'll be waste of product. If you use this as it is in as Attar, you can, obviously. It's very safe to use, but I'd rather not, you know, because this is the prime product. And what I do, if I need to make it into Attar or ether, so whatever volume I have, I use 20% of LABDANUM. LABDANUM is my best choice, you know, so that will make it into very long lasting, and then it plays, I mean, magical role in it. So I don't add DPGs to add more things. DPG is required for a purpose. DPGs are not for dilution like that you sell higher quantities by using with a compound. So these are the oil compounds, and if you want to improve the performance of it, then the best thing is to use them as an oil for Attar. Then you need to, so if it's 1000 ml, let's say, so it's roughly safest is 100 milliliter max of LABDANUM, but then you can use 50% of LABDANUM, 50% of DPG, so you don't put 100% LABDANUM. But obviously at times you get diluted LABDANUM anyway. So if I use the purest LABDANUM, then I use half the quantity. So for example, it's 1000 ml, I use 50 ml of LABDANUM. So you need to create a balance between the high tones and the low tones. Then you will have the right performance of the perfume. And if it's not done like that, then obviously there's something wrong with it. So the last thing we need to do is it's alpha terpenol, and it's a very pine kind of smell. But this one is it's terpene, you know, it's turpentine oil, you know, something like that. But it is for the top note. This is my addition of it. If it's your choice if you want to. But for me, from past experiences, whenever I use it, it creates magical effect to the perfume. When I say magical effects, I mean I get a lot of my customers, they love it, and this is my basic review of it. Basically, you know, when a customer use it, I ask them the performance, longevity, so they give me the feedback, and I'm just passing it on to you guys. Okay, so that's it, and let's do the final. Well, this is guys amazing, you know. It's for a reason made like that, and whoever done it, you know, they've done a very good job. So right, okay, so thank you very much. Stay tuned for the next one.